What's going on, guys, and welcome back to R33 Performance. And today we're changing, small video, changing headlights on an R33 Skyline. So this is the headlights that are going on. Stock look a lot better than that. You see these, it just looks a little cheap, but this is gonna look golden. Now to get them off, you got this here, you got this one here, you got this here, and you got one under here. What's going on, man? Yeah, he's in the office. But let's get it. So now I just gotta go from under here in this duct. I go in there, and there's gonna be a 10 mil somewhere right here. So that's where I'm going. Now it's out, just those couple bolts. Now we just gotta worry about doing these couple little bit of wires, which is just disconnecting them, and that's it. All right, so we're here, headlights are out, but we do have to adjust, or not adjust, attend this wiring situation, because this is for these. So it's not factory, it's just some other stuff ran into it, and the original harness don't need that with the headlights that's being put on. So that's the next step, is get this situated, and then we'll throw the headlights on. He did the wiring fixing and reinstalled the headlights with the grill. Looks so fire. Way better than what it was. The reinstallation was just the same as the deinstallation, but now it's done. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you follow Full Detail Automotive. See you next time.